Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete pins on Pinterest. First of all, you can open the Pinterest application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply select the pin here that you want to delete. I can select this pin. After selecting the pin, you can see the three dots at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can now tap on edit pin, and after tap on edit pin you can see the option delete this pin, and you can now tap on delete, and it is the way you can delete pin on Pinterest. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.